If you are somebody who is looking at hedging their positions by selling cover calls on their portfolio, this video is going to break down how you do it. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to do a live cover call on my Robinhood account. We're going to walk through the steps, give you guys a little bit of insights as to what I'm looking for and how I'm going to do it with my position. So, as always, if you are excited for today's video, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those bell notifications for all future uploads. As you'll see in the Robinhood portfolio, we are up almost 3%. We went as high as almost 3.5%. A very, very good day in the portfolio so far. I'm very, very happy with it. Year to date, we are up 39%, which is absolutely amazing. But we're not here to talk about the portfolio. We're here to talk specifically about selling a cover call. Now, for me personally, I'm going to be looking at selling a cover call on UiPath. I have 100 shares that I recently was assigned a little while ago, back in April, and I've made a little bit of money on cover calls here, and they have earnings after hours. As you will see, the earnings after hours today, and I want to kind of hedge my position because, as we know, earnings brings a lot of movement. Brings a lot of movement to the stock, and if UiPath tends to sell off and I lose some money in the share value, at least I can collect some nice money from my cover call that I sell here. And again, cover calls are all about passive income while you wait for share appreciation. Now, the good thing is that right now we are already up, as you will see, over 11% in the position. That I'm very happy to see. So we've also made, like $32 on that cover call already. So we're actually up a little bit more than that already. And we're going to be looking at selling a call in this position right before earnings comes out. Right now we're getting this big IV expansion into earnings. We're either going to hope for an IV crush or hope that even if UiPath goes up pretty high, it doesn't go up higher past the strike. But again, the cover call is selling at a strike price that you don't mind letting go of your shares at. Right now, I'm at about 1063 for an average cost, and we're going to go into the options chain, as you will see here. I'm going to pick an option that I would like to sell my shares at. I'm looking at June 18th. And again, you go to sell a call option here, looking at June 18th, and these all right here are your strike prices. So if I want to sell at, say, $14, I would make about $4 per share, about $400. If I want to sell for $15, I can go all the way up to, $24 if I want to. There's no premium here to get paid those, so I'm not going to be doing that. Now, if you are wondering about how you are looking at selling your strike and choosing the right strike, let me show you guys what I am using to determine my strike prices. And I think this is going to be a big game changer for me as somebody who sells cash or care puts, sells cover calls, and likes to collect passive income and take advantage of IV expansion. Let me introduce to you the Trader Daddy website. Now, the Trader Daddy website that I have on my screen here has a lot of data. There's a lot of things to take a look at here, and it goes through everything from options flows to the stock itself to bear sentiment, bullish sentiment, everything you can imagine is basically covered here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ticker search right here, type in PATH, which is the ticker symbol for it here, and I'm going to take a look at the UiPath options and take a look at the data here. As you will see, there's a really strong bullish sentiment right now, which again is not bad because my shares could appreciate in value, which I'm very, very happy to see. And they have a lot of really good data. They break down the company, as you will see here, talk about the financials. They've been doing really good. Their earnings per shares, their revenues have been doing really good. Their gross margins are good. They've been doing very, very well. They've had a bad year because software in general, whether it's Salesforce, Adobe, UiPath, software has been taking a hit. As you will see, the expected move we're looking at by July 17th, and I'm going to be moving this actually to change it now to June 18th because that's what I'm looking at my option chain for. So as you will see, the expected move is looking at anywhere between $9.57 and $14 on the upside with the expected move that you will see here. So again, if I don't want to get my shares assigned, anything above $14 is pretty good. So I'm already kind of thinking to myself, let me look at the $15 strike price maybe. They also give us even more data. They talk about different trade setups. They talk about these different levels here. So these are like, your call gammas or your call walls and your put walls, as you'll see here in the gamma flip. There's a lot of info here to be understanding here. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but let me tell you, there's a lot of really cool data here if you know where to look. And so what we're going to be doing here is taking a look to see, again, there's more and more data. Again, I can go through a lot of these things here, but for right now, I'm kind of just going to give you guys what I'm looking at. And as you will see here, here is the best option. So they kind of give you guys an idea of buying calls, buying puts, selling calls, selling puts. And as you can see right now, the $15 call option is graded an A. A on their website means full conviction. The setup looks really, really good. We have rich premium, fair delta targeting about 0.25 delta, 46 premium, which is very good, high liquidity, which you want to get filled really quick at, and strong structural alignment. So the $15 strike price makes sense. Again, they're talking about it being $14 as the implied move. So $15 is right outside of that move, which is very, very good. They have a lot of other things you look at here. They also have the earnings flow screener here, which talks about earnings after hours today. And at the time of recording this, their earnings are after hours. And as you will see, it gives you a mixed sentiment right now for UiPath from this data here. They have the expected move of 13.5%, and there's a decent amount of money here, premium, that's being spent on these trades on this stock here. But as you can see, it's a mixed sentiment for their earnings: 42% bullish, 58% bearish. Not ideal. And as you can see, taking a look at all the money that has flown in here, we've had some bearish sentiments. This one was 20 days ago. That was early. This one was today. The next high is premium. This one was a bearish position as well, it says. You also have a couple bullish positions, as you will see here, but as you'll see, nothing at the $15 strike price. So there's a lot of nub data you could look at here, a lot of very good things to see on Trader Daddy. And if you're looking at getting access to this website, I will leave a link down below for you to join. I am a paid sponsor. I do collect, not paid sponsor, but I do get paid out a percentage of people who sign up. Full disclosure, I do get paid out for it. But I will say, I think this is going to be a game changer, even for my portfolio. And again, I'm up 40% almost this year. I think this is going to make it even better. So I'm looking at my strike price of UiPath of about $15. And if you watched my video from before, I was like, oh, I'm looking at like the $13.50, but we've had such a good run up. I don't mind doing the $15 ones a little bit higher up here. So what you're going to do, you go to the $15 option right here. As you will see, basically what this is going to tell me is that as long as UiPath doesn't go to $15, I will keep the $45 in premium, which offsets my cost basis even more. $45 passive income, and we're good. Worst case scenario is UiPath goes to $15+ and I'm able to sell my shares that are an average of $10.63 for $15, probably close to about a 50% profit. That is amazing. That is super, super awesome. So what you're going to do is, again, we're going to sell a call option here. We're going to try to get filled. As you will see, the bid ask is very, very close, which is very awesome. We've got a lot of open interest and volume here, which makes the in and out of the position going to be very, very nice for us here. We're going to do one contract. We're going to hope, I don't know if we can get filled at 45. Let's take a look and see. If I have to adjust it, again, as you'll see here, I'm going to sell 100 shares at 15 on or before June 18th. If I don't, then I get paid out the premium there. Let me submit the 45 and see if we get filled or not here. If we don't, I'll readjust it in a couple minutes here so we can kind of take a look and see what's going on with that one. What I can also take a look at in this case, and we just got filled at 45. Perfect. Got the $45 fill I'm looking for. If you also want to take a look at, again, my levels, I do some charting myself on some of these stocks here. Taking a look at UiPath, let's take a look and see what the charts are looking like for $15. As you will see, it looks like it has some very good resistance, or some very nice volume, it looks like, at around the 1260 to the 13 one. So if it goes all the way up to 15, you're going to be basically breaking this structure right here, which is about $15. So I do feel very, very confident in this trade right now. I feel very good about it. I'm very happy to see this. Again, nice bullish sentiment we were seeing here. But last time we had this big move, we rejected at the 1266 level. Before that, we went up to the 13.43 level. This right here, if you're not familiar with the options chain, or with the options chain, if you're not familiar with Fibonacci retracement levels, this is like your golden ratio a lot of people like to trade at, between the 50 and the 61.8% retracement, as you'll see here. And as you can see, it had some nice rejections here. It also had some, look at that nice little support right there, a nice little consolidation here. So right here is the wall to break. If it breaks through here, we're going to 15. And honestly, that's cool with me. Oh no, my shares went up in value. People always complain about how I've lost money, or not me personally, but like people have lost money on selling these options here for that reason. I don't view it that way. For example, for me, as we're waiting for the market to close here, I'm going to wrap the video here. For example, Ondas has had a big move, up 23.5%, almost 24%. Well, it's actually almost 24% now. And I sold a cover call at $13. And people are like, well, Fridge, look at that. You're down 137 bucks here. And it's like, well, yeah, I know. But again, my average share price, if you take a look at my Ondas shares, my average shares is under $10. So I'm up 34.5% on Ondas shares here. And I'm agreeing to sell my shares at $13 each, which is still over a 30% ROI on the shares. Plus, I've collected some premiums. I'm not going to complain about making profits. The problem that you're going to see if you're doing cover calls, for example, is selling them below your average cost. That's where the problem really comes into play. For example, if I sold a UiPath 1 at $10, I'm below my average cost basis. I'm losing money, efficiently losing money in that case, potentially. So you don't want to sell cover calls below your average cost basis. You don't. Selling mine at above, again, $4 up, it almost is not too bad. I did the same thing for now Redwire. I've really gotten unlucky with Redwire because the momentum here has been absolutely insanity. Like, you take a look at the momentum on Redwire, it's up 200% in the last month. Who would have guessed that? Now, my average is $10, as you will see here, and I sold a $16 call option here. Still above my strike price, or above my average cost. Oh, Fridge, you're missing out on so much money. Well, yeah, I know I'm missing out on money here, obviously. But again, I'm still going to be able to sell for 60% profit. So, and I'll eat this. I'm going to eat this one. I'm not going to roll it. I'm going to hope that SpaceX IPO sucks all the money out from other space stocks. It goes right into SpaceX and it pulls us back. Who really knows, honestly? But again, selling at $16 on a stock that has a lot of volatility, making 60% profit, to me, I'm not going to complain about. Yes, I could be made up 150%, but I also made some passive income as well. So that's just some things to kind of think about if you're looking at selling cover calls here. But this website, Trader Daddy, is going to be, I think, a huge benefit to the Fridge Financials channel, to the Fridge Financials portfolio, and I'm excited to see how much more this offers for me to use here. So, again, if you're looking to join, you can use the link either in the comments. I'm going to pin it in the comment below. I'll put it in the description as well. Sign up for it. Use my discount, or use my code, not discount code. Use my code to sign up for it. It's a very cool platform. I'm super excited for it. And that is it for today's video. So we'll wait and see what happens with UiPath here as the stock market is about to close, and we can kind of just play it from there. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did make this far in the video, as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those bell notifications as per usual for all future uploads. Hopefully making money in the market in some way, shape, or form. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.